Welcome back, guys. It's Ben from Flow Brackets. Today we've got in this beautiful E63 AMG W213 pre-facelift, and we're going to be putting on signature plates in a slimline format onto the back of this car. As you can see, Mercedes has this 4-bolt pattern that they've been using since the 1970s, and we've made a specific bracket just for this singular purpose. It's called our S4 for slimline variant signature plates, ST4 if you have the standard size. It's pretty simple. This number plate is smaller than the holes that are on the bumper, so we've made our bracket go to the 4 holes, bolt it on, and then we can clip on the number plate. The fitting that's in the back of this car is a metric fitting. It uses an M5, and we supply this M5 countersink bolt. It's a stainless steel bolt that's powder coat black, and it'll never rust. Before we clip this on, check out our range of optional extras for the signature plates. We've got these anti-rust upgrade kit, which is a slimline black stainless bolt to assemble the frame back together so that you don't have rusting bolts on your number plate. Now that all that's left is to clip it in, all you need to do is hook it into the top mount, push it on a little bit to the bottom clip, and then clip it in like that. You just reposition completely center, just a little bit over to the right. Now the grub screw not only stops the plate from moving left and right, it also expands the snap fit in the channel of the frame so that you can't unclip it. It's a security feature. To do this, I'm just going to open the boot a little bit so that I can get better access to it. And that's how you get signature plates onto the back of any Mercedes with this 4-hole bolt pattern. Now, if you guys need a hand identifying which bracket you need for the style and size of your number plate, just give us a call at flowbrackets.com.au and we can help you out. I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.